To the untrained ear, this may just sound like useless noise, but much valuable information can be deduced just from breath sounds. As many health conditions are related to respiratory function, the sounds that are produced by breathing can be one of the most valuable clinical techniques for assessment of a client's pulmonary status. This program will present how to use a stethoscope during lung auscultation, the physiology of normal breath sounds, selected landmarks used for auscultation, and the basic procedures for a pulmonary auscultation assessment.